Here we are, the Great Arkansas Blizzard 2011. Don't know, 6 inches of snow, maybe more. We're all snowed in and playing.
What's wrong? Get in your coat.
January 10th, 2011. Snowed us in.
You want your tea? You don't want tea. It's cold. That's Daddy's coffee, baby. That's Daddy's coffee. It's not tea. He wants tea.
Braden, play, or we'll go back inside. You just play.
Come on, look. Go get it. Let me get it. I'm gonna run and get it. You can't go that fast.
Can you make a snowball?
Can you make a snowball?
Show Daddy how you can make a snowball.
Want me to make a snowball? Mommy's not quite ready to take pictures. Connor, can you stop for a second? Stop. Sit. Like a big boy. Sit, Otter. Otter, sit. Is it cold on your booty?